Now that you've created the north intersection, we'll move on to the south intersection. And again, we'll kind of do the same process. We'll go through sharing that edge of pavement that is part of the main road that kind of extends through the intersection. We're going to share that with both objects. Once we've done that, we'll establish the elevation for the curb returns. We'll put the curb and gutter section on those returns, and then we'll throw those into the edit profile tool that we used and look at their grade and regrade them if necessary. So it's kind of the same thing we've done, and repetition helps. So that's why we want you to do as many as you can. So back into Power Civil, I zoom in to the south intersection, and my first step is to bring up the element information tool, select the edge of pavement extension line, accept it, and I need to add that to object entrance road. Right now it's just part of main road. So I'll click the add object icon, select the entrance road, click OK, and update. There's no need at this point to do anything with the associations. How we turned off that one. That was good enough while I'm working in both intersections, so I don't need to repeat that process. Next, I'll create the edge of pavement new edit tool. We drape those on the model surface at the vertices. Both of them together. Add them to the entrance road object as break lines. After that, we added a section to them. So again, I'll select those, set the direction to the outside, click apply, and there's my section. So once you get the hang of it, you can go through these quite quickly. Next is we want to cut a profile. So I'm going to bring up another view, find a place to plot the profile, and go to Modeler, Elements, Edit Profile. The active profile control comes up. I right click on the first one, set it to profile cell setting. This is where we want to pick the elements we want to profile. So again, I'm going to focus on the south side. So I'm going to select an edge of pavement of the main road, the curb return, accept it, entrance road edge of pavement, accept it, and place that into view number 2. Zoom in, and I can see there's the entrance road coming down the entrance road, or upgrade, then into the intersection, and then down into the main road. So I'll grab my vertical component tools. These are the tools that I'm going to use to kind of draw on top of what's there. So right there, I'll place take it on as far into the entrance road there, and then so I'll turn that off, and then I can kind of tentative to a point there. Once I have those, I'll use my create profile curve between two elements, select, accept, select, accept, and you can see where I can either eyeball in something, or maybe if I want, I can lock in a radius. So if I want to lock in a radius, I key that in at the dialog, let's say 675, select accept, and then that way there'll only be one solution there. And then I can push that back 2 by selecting and accepting them and have it update the site model. And I would continue to do the same edit profile process on the other side of the entrance road to get all those edges, that transition squared away as well. So hopefully as you repeat this on your own, and I want you to go ahead and repeat the other side of the road, or in that case, and same thing for the northern intersection previously, is to get in the habit of where the tool is, call it up, the process at which to use it, and then you, the designer, kind of grade it how you would like to see it.